welcome back to a new Saturday. That means I'm here with a new makeup look here. So one of you guys requested on creating a makeup look using affordable makeup, so I've tried to create this look using affordable makeup. So hope you guys like it. If you do, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and keep on watching. Starting off with eyes, I'm using Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to prime my eyes. Thereafter, use a powder to set the concealer. So today's eye look is going to be very simple and easy to slay every day. So I'm going to be lining my eyes with black kajal pencil by Nykaa close to the lash line. It doesn't have to be perfect as we're going to blend it anyway. I'm using Sigma pencil brush E30 to blend the kajal liner. Next, I will be using Morphe Little Palette in Copper Popper. You can use any brown matte eyeshadow for this look. Using Sigma E25 blending brush or any blending brush, take any lighter brown eyeshadow and start blending the edge of the black liner. Now moving to little darker brown eyeshadow. I'm going to layer the eyeshadow on the lids and further blending it into the crease. Using Morphe M33 blending brush, which is more fluffier than the E25. Then using an angle liner brush, take any black eyeshadow. Here I'm using Sleek Eye Divine Storm palette. For this look, I decided not to use any gel or liquid liner, keeping it very simple and easy to create. This look, as I know many of us find it very difficult to achieve a perfect eyeliner. So why not use this simple trick to create the liner? So use any matte black eyeshadow, start lining over the black kajal liner and flick the brush on the outer corner of the eyes to create a wing. Soften the black eyeshadow with dark brown eyeshadow to give a smoky faded look. Now finishing off by highlighting brow bone with a highlighter using a flat shader brush. Now moving on to the face, I have already prepped and primed my face. You can see my skincare routine video. For the base, I always like mixing foundation. Today I'm using Maybelline Fit Me Matte Poreless plus Inglot AMC Cream Foundation. Using Morphe M439 brush, I am going to buff the foundation all over my face and neck. I just love this brush. To conceal the under eye, I am going to use Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer and LA Curl HD Concealer. Using a damp sponge, blend the concealer into the skin. I like my concealer a shade lighter than my foundation as it really brightens the eyes. With the same concealer, I will be highlighting the highest point of my face, that is bridge of the nose, side of the nose, cupid bow, chin and forehead. Again with sponge, blend it into the foundation. Now comes the contouring, everyone's favorite. Using any dark concealer, here I am using LA Girl HD Concealer. Apply this on the hollows of the cheeks and blend it using a sponge or a brush. Then moving to the nose, make straight lines on the side of the nose. This creates a shadow and makes the nose look slimmer. And of course, blending is the key. Backing time. Using e.l.f. setting powder, I'm going to bake my under eyes, under the contour, bridge of the nose and forehead. Leave the powder for a few minutes. To set the contour, I'm using Sleek Contour Powder using Angle Fluffy brush. This will give more chiseled look with the same powder. I'm also going to define my jawline and also hairline to give an illusion of a smaller forehead. Blush, giving color to my cheeks. I'm using NYX Sweet Cheek blush palette. Since this look is more neutral, I thought of giving coral or peachy blush. Apply this on the apple of the cheeks, further it out towards the ears in circular swipe mode. Using powder brush, dust off all the excess powder that we had left for baking. Ooh, now my favorite part, applying highlighter. Again, apply this on the highest point of the face, the cheeks, the nose, cupid bow, chin and the forehead. I know, we are back to the eyes. Using both the eyeshadow palette, apply black eyeshadow closer to the waterline and start blending it using flat definer brush. Next, use a darker brown eyeshadow, blend the edge of the black eyeshadow using a pencil brush. Using black kajal pencil, line the waterline, and I further like to blend the kajal with a pencil brush. Now let's finish the eye look with some mascara. My all-time favorite is L'Oreal Volume Million Lashes. For lips, any brown nude lipstick will work. Well, who doesn't love fuller lips? Yes, you guessed it right. I have a trick. Using any lighter brown shade of nude, apply it on the middle of your lips and blend it. It will make your lips fuller and finally set your face with fixing spray. Voila! We are finished with this look, and please do let me know how you guys found this look in the comment section below. And also I would love to see your creation on this look and share your pictures with us. See you guys in my next video.